Hello and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title and the thumbnail, today is very special. I am unboxing yet another advent calendar. This time it is worth a lot more money. I have spent £150 on an advent calendar. I know, I am a bit crazy, but again we are going to have a giveaway, so stay tuned. And if you would like to find out what's in the John Lewis advent calendar, then just keep on watching. I do have a little helper to my side, my sister. She is going to find out all the prices of the items that I open. So let's get to it. John Lewis, you went all out. And this is what it looks like inside. It is very heavy, so I won't be able to hold it like this for much longer. Number one, is this thing. I have no idea what it is. Probably won't know how to pronounce it. Acqua di Parma? What does that say?
I'll probably say Acqua di Parma.
Okay, let's see what it is because I have no idea. It's a fancy bath and shower gel, a super fancy body cream, and a super cutesy spray. Do you know how much it was? Can you check for me?
I think it was £132.
That?
Yeah. It's the exact same box, but it should have 3 perfumes in it, which would make sense why it's so expensive.
Never mind, we don't know how much it was, but it seems fancy. It smells really, really nice, I'm not gonna lie.
The brand is very fancy.
Yes, you can tell by the packaging, it's very fancy. Box number 2, Lumena Nordic Sea Glow Boost Essence. I actually did hear about Lumena before. I'm probably saying that wrong, but I do like vitamin C, so I'm looking forward to trying this out. You said it was £18. This is the 15ml though. Yeah. Number 3, I have got the Liz Earle Natural Active Cleanse and Polish Hot Cloth Cleanser. You do get a cloth with it. Number 4 is more Nest stuff. Get rid of that, don't need that. Oh, and the most tiniest thing ever. This is Bare Minerals Primetime Original Foundation Primer. The sun is setting, so if it destroys the lighting, then you know why. Anyway, I am a massive fan of the Bare Minerals foundation, so I'm looking forward to trying this out with the Bare Minerals foundation. Number 5 is, NARS. I do love a NARS product. This is a foundation in Toledo. I love how sleek the packaging is. It's nice and matte. It looks like it is a mini. It's like a dark mauvey pink / brown. Would suit a lot of skin tones. Number 6 is a little jar, and this is Evolve Organic Beauty Bioretinol Gold Mask for all skin types with Biden's Pilosa Gold Speckles and Rose Hip. Really, really want to open that one to see those. OMG, it really is gold. Oh, and it smells nice. Do you know the price of that one? Since it's got gold in it.
13 quid.
Is it 13? Mm-hmm. Oh, that's not bad, is it? Number 7, another tiny cutesy thing. This is by Terry Baume de Rose Lip Care. I'm guessing it's some lip stuff, like a lip balm. So cute. It does smell like rose, and it does look like a lip balm. It's so cute. It's a baby lip balm. Number 8. This time it is yet another jar, and it is the Christopher Robin Scrub Lavatent Purifying. Oh, what is it? Cleansing Purifying Scrub with Sea Salt. Oh, didn't know you could have a scrub with sea salt. Smells quite manly, but in a good way. And it's not very strong. Number 9 is something from Clarice, and it is the Relax Treatment Oil. something for you. Of course, I'm going to open it and smell it because I am me and I need to smell everything. I don't need to put oil on my skin, but I do like rosehip oil, and maybe this would be good even for oily skin. There's quite a lot of fragrance in this one, and even if I look at the ingredients, the second thing is the smell, but it might be a natural thing because it says bitter orange. I'm not sure whether it is or not. Number 10 is more stuffing. And behind the stuffing, we have the Smoky Eye Mascara from Bobbi Brown. Very fancy. Let's see what the wand is like. Oh, that could be nice. That could be nice. The bristles are quite short, so you can probably get quite close to your lashes. Number 11 is Sleep Pure Silk. What is that? It's like a scrunchie, but like a bubble made out of silk. Very fancy for what it actually is, but fair enough. Number 12. I open it and I see Discipline. Let's see what's so discipline about it. Discovery Kit. Day oil and night oil. So probably not for me. I don't need oil throughout the day. A lightweight yet nourishing blend of adaptogenic oils and prebiotic plant extracts to balance, purify and brighten skin. You get 2 oils inside, one for the morning and one for the night. Very cute. Never heard of... Is that what the brand is called? Discipline? Number 13. Couldn't have been bigger if it tried. This is Neom Perfect Night Sleep Pillow Mist. I had a similar one that I'm going to give to you in the ASOS box. I do want to spray this and see what it smells like. The last one was lavender. This one is lavender as well, I think. No. It smells very woodsy. Our Neom Tranquility fragrance is a special blend of 14 of the purest possible essential oils, including English lavender. Knew it. Apparently the price of this is £150.
No.
No?
Once you hit that, everything you've opened so far is 170.
Oh, and
So,
we're halfway there.
Yeah.
Number 14 contains Elmis Pro Collagen Marine Cream Anti-Wrinkle Day Cream. If I give this to Mum, do you think she'll be offended? Lovely. I never tried anything from Elmis, and I'm probably not going to try it. I'm probably going to give it to Mum. Like I said in my previous advent calendar unboxing, I highly recommend getting advent calendars because you'll get a lot of bits and bobs that you can throw into stockings and give them as presents for Christmas. Number 15, and it is the Rodial Snake and Oxygenating. That's weird. That's such a weird name. Snake Oxygenating and Cleansing Bubble Mask. Is that how you would read it?
Yeah. I think so.
Freeze and Smooth. A deep cleansing charcoal sheet mask enriched in O2 bubbles. Okay. Got a sneak peek of what's in number 23 and I'm excited. Number 16, I have the Twilly Hermes. Oh, got a perfume from Hermes. I mean, that has to be expensive. How much did we get? 7.5 mil.
9 quid.
Oh, is it? Is it 9 quid? Oh, it's so good though. Oh, no. No, that's not for me at all. That's such a grandma smell. I don't know, like there's something good about it, but overall I'm not feeling it, I think.
It even looks like a little top hat.
Yeah, it smells like an expensive grandma lady. I like the bottle and I like the fact it's Hermes. But that's about it. Number 17. A little bit of Dermalogica, and this is the Biolumin C Eye Serum. Apparently, this is £63. I mean, I do know that vitamin C can be quite expensive, but Dermalogica, like, what's in this? Number 18. It's actually pretty sad that we are so close to the end. Got something from Charlotte Tilbury. Colour Chameleon Colour Morphing Eyeshadow Pencil. Never had one of these from Charlotte Tilbury. Let's have a look. I wonder. The colour is this plummy bronze. Not for me at all, but it looks quite nice. It says dark pearl for brown eyes. Oh, number 19 is pretty heavy, and it is a jar of the grounding crystals. What? Do I have to grind some crystals? Oh, that is, that's intense. Sprinkle crystals into warm bath and swirl through the water. Watching them dissolve, breathe in their nurturing aromatic and make it your intention to let go of any negativity as you sink your body into the fragrant water. That's a very intense smell, but I can see how this would be a perfect gift for someone. Number 20 is one of the slimmer ones, and it has the Ico Skinny Liquid Eyeliner in black. I love black liners. I use them quite often, and I bet Ico did a great job. Let's just see. Does it have... Oh, it's a felt tip. I'm sorry if this video is quite long, but there's quite a lot of days, quite a lot of boxes to open. 21 has the... my favourite scent. Irresistible Givenchy scent. OMG, I'm so happy right now. Actually, no, that's not my favourite. Yeah, this isn't the one that I was talking about, but I do love Givenchy, and this does smell amazing. It's very light and very girly. What would you describe the smell as? Let's find out how they describe the smell.
Rose flavoured jelly beans.
I see it. A fragrance that definitely entices you to let go. A floral, woody and fruity fragrance full of contrast. I think mine's like forbidden. It translates to forbidden, I'm sure. That's super cute. Again, would be such a good gift. 22 has Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus Anti-Aging Cream. Estee Lauder is expensive. Estee Lauder skincare is even more expensive. So I can imagine that this 15ml jar...
21.
Oh, £21. Not bad actually. But that is a perfect opportunity to try something without having to splurge on a big jar. Because I'm pretty sure, do these sell? No, they don't.
I don't think so.
You would have to buy a whole big jar. And if it doesn't work for you, then what would you do with that big jar? Only 3 left. That's so depressing. 23. I already know what this is because I had a sneak peek. This is the Laura Mercier Blush Colour Infusion, and the shade is Pomegranate. Let's see it together. Not my colour at all, but it's cute. Christmas Eve, and you are getting the Lunar Sleeping Night Oil. This staple product from Sunday Riley, and I have heard the best reviews when it comes to this, so super excited to try that. Of course, I'm gonna give it a sniff. Very faint smell, and I like it. Guess who's gonna try a lot of new skincare? Me and you and mother. Okay, and last but not least, final day, Christmas day. What you will get is Shiseido Ultimune Eye Power Infusing Eye Concentrate. How much is this? £60. Wow. If something works, something works. And to be fair, you are also paying for packaging. I want to see what it looks like. Can't smell it. Don't want to pump it out because it's eye cream and it was expensive. So if I'm not going to put it on me now, I'm not going to squirt it out. Okay, I'm now going to go off camera, add up all the prices, figure out how much we saved, and figure out what's going away to you guys. Okay, never mind. My sister just told me that I'm better off filming a live reaction to how much the individual products within the box have cost, because even though on the John Lewis website it says that the products are worth £376 in total, my sister said it is way more than that, so let's do it.
So bear in mind, you spent 150, it should be worth 375, and I haven't added one of the products because I can't find it. It's still £450.
Okay. Right, let's figure out what we're giving away. Alright you guys, we have figured out what we are keeping and what I would like to give away to you guys. There are products in here that are worth for you to try out, so here it goes. The first thing I'm going to give away is this Acqua di Parma. I have no idea about, I've never heard about this brand, but I really like the packaging and I think it would look cute if, like, once you use up the inside to keep your like pencils and whatever inside, maybe. It smells like soap, citrus and something woodsy. I like it. I think you would like it as well. The second thing I'm going to give away is the Eyeko liner. Everyone needs a good eyeliner. I have plenty of them. Seems to be nice and black, pretty good. So give that a try. Since you have the liner, you might as well have a eyeshadow pencil from Charlotte Tilbury. This is a lovely colour and it will look beautiful on brown eyes. So you
could only enter the giveaway if you have brown eyes.
Shut up. So if you have brown eyes, make sure to enter the giveaway. Last two items, a lipstick from NARS. If you have entered my ASOS giveaway, you might want a lipstick as well. And finally, the Laura Mercier blush in the shade called Pomegranate. Enter the giveaway. All the details on how to enter will be down in the description box. But as always, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope you have enjoyed the surprise collaboration with my sister. And I hope to see you soon. If you have enjoyed the video, please like, comment, subscribe. But for now, thank you so much for watching. You are the best and I hope to see you next time.